Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make color code tabs on Google Sheets. Color coding tabs in Google Sheets is a great way to visually organize your spreadsheets and make them more readable. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you color code your tabs or to help you make color code tabs on Google Sheets. So open the Google Sheets where you want the color code or where you want to color code the tabs, which is here. Then select the tab you want to color code. So at the bottom of the sheet, you'll see the tabs or sheet listed by name. So go ahead and right click on the tab that you want to color. So this is sheet 1. This is the sheet 1 that I want to color. So not all sheet, which is literally at the bottom of the screen. So go ahead and right click. Now, once you click on right click, after right clicking the tab, go ahead and select change color, which is from this drop down menu. And then once you select that, you see that a color palette will appear. So you can choose from a range of preset colors, or if you want a specific shade, go ahead and click on custom, which is at the bottom right here, to enter a custom hex color. So click on the color you want to assign to the tab, and I'm going to use this color, which is here. Then once you're done to color code other tabs, go ahead and repeat the same process for each tab. Now you can assign different colors to different tabs depending on how you want to categorize or organize your data. So that's the color code. As you can see that blue is already appearing there, and so this is the color code for this tab. So you can change the color code for another tab by selecting whatever you want. So you can just go ahead and click on that sheet again and right click and click on change color. My color could be red this time, and you see that it's saving. So that has been saved. So as you can see that this has been changed to red. So this is my new color code for the sheet, which is red. So that's pretty much it. So you can use green for financial reports, you can use blue for data input sheets, you can use red for error or review sheets, you can use yellow for tax lists. It just makes it easier to identify the purpose of each tab at a glance. Now, of course, if you want to remove or change the tab color, just go ahead and right click on the tab again, select change color and pick a different color. And if you want to remove the color, select change color and click on reset, and everything is going to go to the default option. So using color-coded tabs helps with navigation and makes working on large spreadsheets more efficient. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.